Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing my favorite type of video. I wanted to hold off on doing this a little bit longer because my birthday is coming up and I wanted to do like a full birthday unboxing, but I couldn't wait anymore. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a Chanel unboxing. I'm so freaking excited about it. This is not the box that the bag actually came in. I usually film the full unboxings for my Instagram, so I did that a really long time ago, like when I first originally got this bag, which was like months and months ago at this point, and I've just been holding off on actually posting it because I don't like to do like too many unboxings back to back, but there was just no way I could wait until after my birthday for this one. So I just kind of grabbed any Chanel box that I had up there, and that's what I'm showing you right here. There's nothing, well, there's probably stuff in here, but I don't think it's anything useful. Just dust bags, stuff like that. But I will insert the Instagram unboxing in this video so you guys can see like when I first got it, how I opened it up and all that fun stuff. And then afterwards, I'll give you a little story time. I'm so excited for you guys to finally see this bag. So if you guys want to see my most recent Chanel purchase, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like Chanel handbag unboxing, reveals, luxury, jewelry, shoes, shopping vlogs, because I'm doing those now. If you guys think that this is a familiar outfit, it's from my most recent shopping vlog, which I'll link right up here. But if you like any of that stuff tickles your pickle, I think you and your pickle are gonna wanna stay here. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. And if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, definitely do that as well. I post every single day over there. It's just the Katie Danger. I am very active over there. Reels like up the wazoo. Lots of outfit of the days. If you guys are ever wondering what I am wearing in any of my videos, it is always, and when I say always, I mean it is always tagged on my Instagram. So definitely follow me over there. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough, but now the sun is rising.
I finally got my dream classic flap, you guys. This is actually not the first classic flap that I buy. Well, obviously you guys know I have my beige clear classic flap here, but I actually purchased a different classic flap even before this. It was black caviar with silver hardware, and I got it for like a decent, I mean, let me not say decent, okay? Decent savings compared to what it's supposed to retail for. And I got it and I opened it up and I looked at this bag and I was like, if you guys haven't seen my recent lambskin versus caviar video, I'll link that up here as well. But I kind of told this story without giving away, I probably did give it away, what bag I was talking about. So I sent it back almost immediately and I ended up buying this one. This is in lambskin, and when I opened this one up, I was like, oh, this is how I'm supposed to feel. This is what these are supposed to look like. This bag is so beautiful and supple. The caviar on that other one that I got was just so plastic looking. It looked so cheap. It did not look good at all. That's why I didn't even want any part of it. But this one, when I got it, I was like, oh, so now I know what the issue is. I just love lambskin. I knew like I need to try again to get a classic flap in black, and it would have to be in lambskin. Obviously Fashionphile has like a stupid amount of classic flaps. Like this is not even, you guys know this, like classic flaps on Fashionphile are like not rare. There are so many of them. You just have to find something that is in your budget, that like you're willing to pay for. The condition is where you want it to be, and basically with the specs that you want. So for this one, I didn't care if it was small or medium. I didn't want it to be jumbo, definitely not. I wanted it to be in lambskin, like I said. I don't really care about hardware in general. The only bag that I cared about hardware with was this one, and that's because beige clear, in my opinion, doesn't really look right with silver hardware, but that is the only time I've ever cared about hardware. Any of my other bags, I probably can't even tell you what the hardware is because I don't pay attention, I don't care. There are some like minor scratches. I mean, this is lambskin, so obviously it's not, I don't know if it's gonna be visible on camera, but it's obviously not the most durable thing in the world. Let me remove this felt so you guys can see. To me, it's just freaking perfect though. Like this is just, it's so supple, so freaking soft. The condition is like exactly what I would want. And like I said, it obviously is pre-loved. It's not like it was in brand new condition or anything like that. But I was really happy with this, and I saved thousands of dollars off of retail. Thousands with an S off of retail. So can you beat it? I don't think so. Let me show you guys the inside. This is kind of where the majority of the wear is right here, but I don't really care about that because who is ever gonna see this part of my bag? So you can kind of see on this inner flap here, there's like a good amount of like marks and kind of creases on there. I don't care. I don't care. And it does have the burgundy interior, by the way. I don't really care about that either, to be honest. So you guys probably heard me say this already in a previous video, maybe, I'm not sure, but I did end up selling my So Black Coco handle, and the reason I did that was because I got this bag, and every time that I wanted to wear a black bag, I wanted to reach for this bag. So as far as classic flaps go, I think generally I'm done. I don't really see a need to have 27,000 classic flaps. If something comes up in a color like I don't have and it's not like horrendously priced, okay, sure. I would definitely not buy it from the store. There's a 0% chance that I would ever buy these from the store. That's why I got both of mine from Fashion File, because I saved a good amount off retail. I know a lot of people like to collect them. A lot of people like go really hard for the classic flap. I like the classic flap, and I am very happy that I have the two that I have, but like that's it. This is my new bag. This is my new classic flap. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is probably like the most boring unboxing of your life because like everybody has a black classic flap. Like this is not special. I didn't actually mention this in my wish list, which by the way, if you guys haven't seen my wish list video, I'll link it right up here. I didn't mention this in my wish list because I already had the bag when I was filming the wish list video. I just obviously haven't revealed it until now, but here it is. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your opinion is. Do you like the specs that I got? Would you rather something else? Like I know my best friend is actually on the hunt for a black classic flap right now. She wants a medium size, but she wants it in caviar and she wants gold hardware. Hopefully she finds it. But do you like those specs better? Because I am just obsessed with this. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. Let me know in the comments, what is your dream bag? I'm so excited because my birthday is coming up. It is in 3 weeks and I know that I'm gonna get something special. I don't know what it is yet. I've narrowed it down to 2 different things. So there's something special coming for my birthday and I cannot wait to film that unboxing for you guys. So definitely subscribe if you're not already so you can see what I get for my birthday in 3 weeks. Not that I know what it is yet, but I'm sure it'll be exciting. I'm sure you'll want to see it regardless. So definitely subscribe. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We have to pee in the couch.
Oh my God.